Alzheimer's disease is an absolutely devastating disease. It affects millions of people. It's projected to triple by the year 2050. And man, can this upend lives. I've seen it myself personally in my own family. Here's the good news. May of this year, the FDA has cleared a simple blood test that costs $500 that in people that have early cognitive decline can with 95% accuracy predict whether or not the plaques and tangles, those are the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. These are the things that we can see in the brain, have developed. And so then patients can get diagnosed earlier by having a confirmatory PET scan, which is much more expensive, but then can go on to have all kinds of treatments that are available, including medication management. Now, where I really get excited is the fact that these tests are not in the too distant future going to be available to preemptively pick up who is going to develop Alzheimer's disease, maybe even 20 years before it happens. Why is this so incredible? Number one, we know that certain dietary and lifestyle habits are absolutely associated with developing Alzheimer's disease. So if you know you're going to get it, this is a way that we can make dramatic changes in people's behaviors to try to curb the development of disease. The next thing is that through certain biohacking techniques, my favorite being transcranial light therapy, that potentially can slow down the process fairly significantly. Obviously, a lot more research is needed, but that improves blood flow, it stimulates mitochondrial function, and it can really reconnect the synapses or those connections between brain cells. And so doing it preemptively certainly is better than doing it once you have the disease, although there's great literature now coming out on that. Finally, medications that can be developed to preemptively slow down the process, maybe even block those things from ever even happening if we know it far enough in advance, is exciting, and a lot of researchers and institutions absolutely have that on their radar. So much more coming down the pipe on this devastating disorder. We'll keep bringing you updates. So exciting. My partner, Dr. Balchi, who is a neuropsychiatrist and a dementia expert, we just had this discussion the other day. She is so excited about the potential for what we can do in the future with these dementia patients and even to prevent dementia in these patients. So stay tuned for more updates. Hopefully this video helps. We'll see you on the next one.